Right, now look at the answers for the first part of the 2018 second term test paper of Western Province. Look at the first part, first question. There are 20 questions of the first part. The first one given, the bacteria in the root nodules of the mimosa plant. There are 4 answers given. What's the function of these bacteria? Helps to supply nitrogen nutrients, helps to reproduction, helps to fix to the soil, helps to absorb water. What's the function of the bacteria lives in root nodules of the mimosa plant? Do you remember the function?
Helps to supply nitrogen.
Yes, helps to supply nitrogen nutrients. You can check the answers, okay? Take a red color pen and check the answers. What is the main function of the sepals? Sepals, do you remember? Sepals mean what?
Protect.
What's the color of the sepals?
Green. Green color.
Green color, no? Yes. What's the main function of sepals? Produce ova, protect flower buds, produce pollens, vegetative reproduction. What's the main function?
Protect flower.
Yes, the bud stage of the flower, protect it, no, using the sepals.
Sir,
Right.
ovary කියනේ කලද?
Sorry.
Ova කියන්නේ ovules ovary කියන්නේ.
අර ovary වල ඇතුලේ තියෙන ඒවට තමයි අපි ඕව කියලා කියන්නේ. Ovules කියලා අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තේ නේද? Right. Number 3, scientifically, animals are grouped together based on locomotion, based on size of the body, as vertebrates and invertebrates, as flying and non-flying. What's the scientifically classification method of the animals?
Vertebrates and invertebrates.
Yes, as vertebrates and invertebrates, no? With a backbone and without backbone animals. Right, the next one, resolution power of the human naked eye is 0.1. What's the unit? This one? Millimeter. Look at the second one, 0.2.
Micrometer.
What is this one? This unit?
Micrometer.
Micrometer. The next one, 0.1 micrometer, 0.2 millimeters. Do you remember what is the human naked eye resolution power? Don't remember? Huh? අපි මේ ළඟදී කරපු lesson එක.
0.1 millimeter. 0.1
Yes,
millimeter.
0.1 millimeter. Right? Resolution powers mean what? මොකද resolution power කියන්නේ? අර
millimeter වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Sir,
millimeters ද?
millimeters. ඒ කියන්නේ අපේ ඇහැට පේන්නේ resolution power කියන්නේ මොනවද? අර points දෙකක් අතර පැහැදිලිව වෙන් කරලා හඳුනා ගන්න පුළුවන් විදියට තියෙන points දෙකක්. ඒක distance එක. Right? අර distinct object විදියට identify කරගන්න පුළුවන් distance එකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ resolution power කියලා. ඒතර අපේ human naked eye එකේ resolution power එක 0.1 millimeter. හරි millimeter දශම එකක් දුරින් තියෙන points දෙකක් අපිට පැහැදිලිව වෙන් කරලා හඳුනා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඊට වඩා අඩු ඒවා බෑ. Right. Number 5, select the correct statement regarding the compound like microscope. Eyepiece mean, I think, do you remember where's the eyepiece? කොහෙද eyepiece එක තියෙන්නේ? මම මේ නිකන් rough diagram එකක් අඳින්නේ. දැන් මෙහෙම මයික්‍රොස්කෝප් එක ගත්තාම මෙන්න මේ අපි බලන්නේ කොහෙන්ද? eyepiece එකෙන්. හරි, ඇහැ තියන්නේ කොහෙටද? eyepiece එකෙන්. ඊට පස්සේ අර මේ object එක ගාව තියෙන lenses වලට අපි කියනවා objective lenses, right? There are 3 objective lenses like this. Right. Then look at the given answers. The first one given, eyepiece lens close to the specimen. Specimen mean what? Specimen කියන්නේ මොනවද?
Object.
Object. හරිද මේක වැරදිද? eyepiece එක තියෙන object එක ළඟද? It is incorrect, no? So first
Incorrect,
answer
no?
we can't get. Hmm. The second one, lens close to the eye, lens close to the specimen. I think it is the correct one, no?
Correct.
Second one. It is the correct one. Also other answers you check. Third one, eyepiece direct light towards the diaphragm. It is incorrect. අර mirror එකෙන් තමයි වැඩේ වෙන්නේ. So it is incorrect. The last one given, eyepiece control the amount of light. Also it is incorrect, no? Using the objective lens, diaphragm, control the amount of light enter to the microscope. Right, then look at the sixth one. Consider the following statements. There are two statements given. The structural and functional unit of life is cell. Is it correct, this statement?
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
it is correct. A group of cells to perform a specific function is called tissues. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The collection of cells is known as the tissue, no? It is correct. So what is the answer? Both A and B are correct. Both A and B are correct. That means the fourth one. Number 7, look at the common area for both digestive system and the respiratory system is. What is the common part? Esophagus, tongue, larynx, pharynx. Pharynx, no? The fourth answer. Right, number 8, look at question number 8. The process of releasing energy by breaking food using oxygen is called photosynthesis, respiration, inhale, exhale. What's the name?
Respiration.
Yes, respiration. What is the not occurred in the nasal cavity? Air gets warm, air gets wet, air mixed with blood, air gets filtered. What is the suitable answer for this question?
Yeah, mixed with blood.
What is not occurred in the nasal cavity? එක nasal cavity එකේදී වෙන්නේ නැති දෙයක් අහන්නේ. හරිද? දැන් අපේ මේ air එක කියන්නේ ඔක්සිජන් ගෑස් එක ඉන්හේල් කරනකොට මේ nasal cavity එකේදී blood එක mix වෙනවද? මේක නැහැ නේද? කොහෙදද මේක mix වෙන්නේ? කොහෙට ගියට පස්සේද ඔක්සිජන් blood වලට mix වෙන්නේ? Inside the කොහෙද? Stomach ද? Heart ද? Brain ද? කොහෙද? Inside the lungs. Right, අපි discuss කරානේ නේද අර lungs වල තියනවා කියලා wall එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ alveoli ගැන කතා කරානේ නේද? අන්න ඒ වගේන් තමයි blood වලට transfer වීම වෙන්නේ. හරි, එහෙනම් මේ statement එක incorrect statement is the second one. A base found in house. Right? What is the basic substance? Bilingi juice. Biling නේ. Biling ඔය ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවද නේද? Biling අච්චාරු කියලා. It is so taste, no? Ambulai නේද ඒවා? So it is acid or base? Acid. Lime water mean what?
හුණු දිය.
හුණු දියර. Lime water කියන්නේ මොන වගේ දෙයක්ද? Acid or base?
Base.
Base. Sugar solution, neutral substance. Lime juice, dahi,
Acidic.
usual, acid.
Acidic.
So which base we can found the home? Lime water. Right. Number 11, look at a tectonic plate margin on the land is, what is the tectonic margin, plate margin on the land? Antarctic
San
tectonic
Andreas.
plate, Pacific
San
tectonic plate, European
Andreas
San
tectonic.
Fault in
Andreas.
North
Yes.
America. San Andreas.
Yes, San Andreas fault in North America. Right, මතක ඇති මේක මම වීඩියෝ එකකුත් පෙන්නුවා නේද බර්ඩ් view එකකින් තමයි බලන්න ඕන කියලා. කිලෝමීටර්ස් ගාණක් ඒ fault එක තියෙනවා කියලා නේද? Number 12, a type of sugar found in sugarcane juice, glucose, lactose, sucrose, galactose. What is the correct answer? Do you remember?
Glucose.
Glucose? No.
Sucrose.
Sucrose. Yes, the correct
Lactose.
answer should be sucrose. Right, මේ ඔක්කොම sugar types තමයි තියෙන්නේ grade 10 එකේදී මේවා ඔක්කොම ටික තියෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. දැනට අපි ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙන්නේ glucose, sucrose ගැන විතරයි. හරිද? Right. Number 13, look at. The pH value of solution X is 10. Before discuss this one, can you tell me what is the pH range? What's the pH range? pH කියලා එකක් ඉගෙන ගත්තද? ඉගෙන ගත්තනේ. pH range එකක් ගැන ඉගෙන ගත්තනේ. මතක නැද්ද? කොච්චරද range එක වෙන්නේ? 1 to
14.
14. Right? 1 to 14. Then 7 is the neutral substance. Right? 1 to 6 acidic substances. And 8 to 14 basic substances. Okay, then this question asks pH value of a solution X is, X කියලා solution එක pH value එක is 10. pH value එක 10. Right? X might be. එහෙනම් අර solution එක මොනවා වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can you tell me this solution can be neutral substance, acidic substance or basic substance?
Basic
It
substance.
should be a base, no? So you have to select the base. Lime juice, correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. It is acid. Water,
Incorrect.
neutral
Incorrect.
substance, no? Salt solution,
Neutral substance.
neutral. Lime water, it is the correct answer.
Correct.
Right? එතන මෙන්න මේ theory ටික තමයි අපිට මේකෙදී ඕන වෙන්නේ නේද? pH value range ගැන ඕන වෙනවා. Right? Range of the pH. Right. Next one, number 14. Some of the rough object attack to light things. Who is founder of it? William Gilbert,
William Gilbert.
Gaston Plante, Benjamin Franklin, Michael Faraday. What's the name? William Gilbert.
Gilbert.
Right, William Gilbert. Right, number 15, look at. The conversion of electrical energy into kinetic energy is done by. Right, electrical energy convert to kinetic energy. Can you tell me kinetic energy contain which type of objects?
Movement object.
Moving objects, no? Moving objects. Right. Electrical energy convert into kinetic energy. Motor and fan. Light bulb and dynamo. Toy car and radio. solar cells and electric bell. What is the most suitable answer for this question?
Fourth.
Motor and fan.
Fourth one.
Motor and fan.
Yes,
Motor
motor and fan no. අපිට දැන් motor එකක් fan එකක් operate කරන්න electrical energy එක දෙන්න ඕනේ. electricity එක දෙන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට අපි electricity එක දුන්නාට පස්සේ යා මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? motor එක මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? fan එක මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? rotate වෙනවා, moving. Right? Then moving objects contain kinetic energy. Okay? Right. Number 16, look at the lowest speed of sound is found in solid medium, gaseous medium, liquid medium, and fluid medium. What is the correct answer? Lowest
Gaseous
speed.
medium.
Gases media.
Yes, gases medium. Give me 1 minute. Right, okay. Now look at number 17, question number 17. The number of images formed when two plane mirrors kept at angle of 60 degrees is. Can you tell me how many images formed? How you can find it? The number of images, do you remember the formula? Number of images equal, what we have to do? 360 divide the magnitude of angle, then subtract 1. Using this formula, you can calculate how many images are formed. Right, then look at 360, the magnitude of the angle given 60 degrees, minus 1. 360 divide 60, the answer is 6. 6 minus 1. So how many images are formed? 5 images. Right, the answer is number 3. This is the calculation method, calculating method, okay? This formula you remember. මේ I කියලා ලිව්වේ images ගන්න හරිද? Number of images. Right, then look at the next question, number 18. What is the symbol of the capacitor? What is the correct answer? Symbol of the capacitor.
Second one.
Second one.
Second one, no?
Second.
Second one. Can you tell me what is the represented item of the first one?
Dry cell.
Dry cell. Third one?
Dry cell.
What is the third one? මොකද දන්නේ නේද හොස්පිටල් එකේ heart rate එක heart beat එක තියෙන ඒ වගේ මොකක්ද තියෙනවනේ එහෙම එකක්ද නෑ මොකද්ද මේ resistor, right? Resistor. Fourth one?
Switcher.
Switch, right? Switch. Right. Number 19, look at what is the standard international unit of measuring energy? What is the unit?
Second,
Joule.
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 Yes, Joule. Do you remember about the other units? Celsius, Farad, Ohm. right? එතකොට ඒවත් මතක් කරගන්න මේ මොනවා මෙෂර් කරන්න ඒවද මේ දීලා තියෙන්නේ. right? Right. Number 20, picture of Papu, Manioc and Kakuru Murunga. Leaves are given below. Right? There are 3 diagrams given. Select correct statement. Can you tell me there are 2 types of leaves, no? Compound leaves and simple leaves. Can you tell me this one, which type? Compound or simple leaves? Kakuru Murunga. Which type? Huh?
Simple leaves.
Simple leaves. Simple leaves.
Simple leaves. මේවට අපි simple leaves කියලා කියන්නේ.
Compound leaves.
Simple නෙවෙයි නම් compound නේ. Compound නෙවෙයි නම් simple. හරි. What's the meaning of simple leaves? Leaf blade not divided or partially divided into the segments. හරි. ඒ කියන්නේ බෙදුණු නැති හෝ කොටස් විදියට බෙදුණු blade එකක් තියෙනවා නම් අපි ඒවට කියනවා simple leaves කියලා. හරි. බෙදුණු නැති හෝ කොටස් වලට බෙදුණු ඒවා. Compound leaves mean what? The leaf blade completely divided into the segments. සම්පූර්ණයෙන්ම segments වලට බෙදුණු ඒවට අපි කියනවා compound leaves. Right? Then look at the given statements. You have to select the correct statement. Papu and Kakuru Murunga are compound leaves. Is it correct or incorrect? It is incorrect, no? These 2 are simple leaves. Kakuru Murunga and Manioc are compound leaves. Is it correct? Manioc is the simple leaf. Kakuru Murunga is a compound leaves. Okay. Papu and Manioc are compound leaves. Papu and Manioc. Incorrect, no? Simple leaves. The last one, Papu and Manioc are partially divided simple leaves. It is
Correct.
correct. හරි නෝන ඒ meanings ටික මතක තියන්න. Simple leaves mean the leaf blade not divided or partially divided into the segments. Compound leaves mean leaf blade completely divided into the segments. Okay. They are the answers for the first 20 questions. Okay. Are you correct? All questions or not? Okay, then we are going to discuss the second paper, second part. මම මේකදී ටයිම් එක දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ආන්සර්ස් ටික පොඩ්ඩක් නෝට් කරගන්න. ඊට පස්සේ පේපර් එක වල නැති නේද? පේපර් එකේ print out එකක් අරගෙන ඒවා ස්ටඩි කරන්න. Right, look at the first question of the second part. Which instances give us electrical energy from the instances A, B, C, D, E given below? Which instances give us electrical energy? Right, can you tell me which instances? There are 5 diagrams given. Using which diagrams we can get the electrical energy? Using the first diagram we can get the can't get the electrical energy. Can. Dry cells use කළා අපිට electrical energy ගන්න පුළුවන්. So A is correct one. Okay. Using the second diagram, can you get the electrical energy? පුළුවන්ද?
Can't.
can't no. ඉතින් මේ දුන්න කුයිතලයක අරගෙන මේ විදිනව නම් විදලා අපිට ඉලෙක්ට්‍රිසිටි එක එනව නම් නේද? අපිට ගෙවල් වල කරන්ට් එක ඕනේ නැහැනේ. අර පහුගිය දවස්වල පවර් කට් වෙනකොට මේ වගේ දුන්නක් කුයිතලයක් ගත්ත විද ඉන්නවනේ. මුළු රෑම අපිට පවර් එක ගන්න තිබුණානේ. එහෙන් බැහැනේ. එන එකෙන් එන්නේ නැහැ. right? Simple C, can you get the electrical energy?
Can.
Can. How you can get the electrical energy using simple C?
By supply
Capital
dynamo.
C. Yes, if we fix the dynamo to the rear wheel, also we can get the electrical energy. Okay, so C also we can get as the answer, but it is not the complete suitable answer. C එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් ඉතින්. D.
Correct.
Correct, no?
Can.
It is the fan of the wind power station, no? It is correct. And using E also we can get the electricity, right? Electrical energy. C is not complete suitable, but if you want you can write as the answer C. හරි C එකත් ලියන්න පුළුවන් ඕන නම් හොඳටම හොඳ answer එකක් නෙවෙයි ඒක. අපිට මේකේ පේන්නේ නැති හින්දා ඩයිනමෝ එක. Right. Then look at the second part. What is the energy stored in the stretch ball? Stretch ball mean this one. What is the
Potential
energy?
energy.
Yes, potential energy, no? Potential energy. Right. The third part, look at what is the energy transformation when releasing the arrow. Arrow mean this one, layer. When releasing the arrow, what is the energy transformation?
Potential energy to kinetic energy.
Yes. The correct answer, potential energy convert into kinetic energy. Right. Are you clear this part? මේක තේරෙනවද නැද්ද? පැහැදිලි නේද? අර මොන හරි දෙයක් ස්ට්‍රෙච් කරනකොට එතන තියෙන potential energy එක. ඒතර දැන් මේක ස්ට්‍රෙච් කරලා අපි අතහැරියට පස්සේ මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? මේක move වෙනවා. ඒතර moving object වල තියෙන්නේ kinetic energy. Right? Right. Now look at the fourth part. Study the following diagram. You can see the diagram here. Part A. What is the energy that used to boil water as in the figure? What is the energy used to this one?
Thermal energy.
Thermal energy. Okay. Thermal or heat energy, no? If you want, you can write heat energy, thermal energy. Right? Both are correct. Quickly you note down the answers, okay? If you don't write the answers, you can't check again, because this paper hasn't the answers, okay? Again, the answers ටික ලියා ගන්න. Within bracket, if you study again, no? ආයිමත් මේව බලනවා නම් තමයි ඒක වැදගත් වෙන්නේ answers ලියා ගන්න. ආයිත් මේව බලන්නේ නැත්නම් ඉතින් වැදගත් වෙන්නේ නැහැ නේද? answers ලියා ගන්න. right. පාඩම් කරනවා නම් answers ලියා ගන්න. Okay, then part B, look at how do you identify whether the water is heated? How you can identify? මේ වතුර රත් වෙලා කියලා අපි කොහොමද මේක identify කරගන්නේ?
Indicate
Using
of
this
the
approach.
thermometer. The indicator of the thermometer go up. නැත්තම්
When the indicator of thermometer goes up,
Yes, rise up no? ඉහළට යනවා. මේ indicator එක ඉහළට යනවා. You can write the answer using the indicator of the thermometer rise up.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So question එකේ sir මේ Roman number 2යි answers කියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Sorry.
Roman number 2යි answers කියන්න පුළුවන්.
Roman number 2, what is the energy stored in the stretch ball? Potential energy. Roman number 3, energy transformation, potential energy, arrow, kinetic energy.
Thank you, sir.
Right, D එක හරි නේද එහෙනම්? Then look at capital B part. The two types of electric current are DC and AC. What's the meaning of DC? It is the short form, no? DC. DC mean what?
direct current,
Direct current. AC mean alternating current. Right, alternating current. Name DC and AC current. ඒක තමයි දැන් ආන්නේ නේද? Part A answer DC direct current, AC alternating current. මා answers type කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඒකින්ද ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉක්මනින් note කරගන්න. Right. Part B, look at simple B. Explain the difference between DC and AC current. What is the difference between DC and AC?
direct current flow only for one direction, but current flow to the both directions.
Alternately direct current, no? Okay, you can write the answer like this. DC flows, DC mean direct current, DC flows only one direction. DC flows only one direction. Full stop. But AC flows both directions with the time. Both directions with the time. Right, I finished note down. Right, then simple C, look at, give one way of obtaining DC current, AC current. Can you tell me DC current, how you can get by using which types of objects? Using the dry cells and batteries, no? Right, අපිට batteries dry
electrical
cells වලින්
cells,
තමයි DC current එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්කම තියෙන්නේ. Right, so you can write the answer dry cells, only you have write one way, or batteries. Then AC current we can get using the dynamo,
Generators,
yes, generators, Right. Then part D, it is the last part of this first question. Name the cell that made using copper, zinc, and sulfuric acid. Do you remember this one?
Simple cell.
Zinc and copper sheets, zinc in the sulfuric acid. Then we can light up this bulb, no? What's the name of this one? Simple cell. Right, let's go to the next question. Question number 2. Right, මේව බැලුවද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? මේව මම අපේ note එකේ note කරගන්න දුන්නේ නැහැ පොතේ. text book එකේ තිබුණු දේවල් මම කොහොමද බලන්න කියලා නේද? Diagrams of animals and plants structures are given below as A, B, C, and D. The first part given, identify the name of A, B, C, D. Right, what is A?
Cheek cells.
Cheek cells, not cheek cells. It is the plant cells.
plant leaf,
Yes, it is the epidermis cells. If you want, you can write cells in a plant. Right, cells in a plant. Cells in more suitable a leaf. Right, what is B? B mean what?
blood tissue,
Blood tissue.
Yes, blood tissue. Right, blood tissue. Then what is this one?
muscle tissue,
Muscle tissues. Right, muscle. Right, then D, animal or plant cells.
plant cells,
Yes,
plants.
it is the plant cells. Right, they are the answers for the first part of it. A, B, C, and D.
the sir මේ first picture එකේ තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද?
Cell
ඒක
in
හරි.
a leaf. Cell in a leaf. Right. Second part, do you remember what is the mean by a system? How you can explain the system?
A collection of tissues,
collection of
collection of organ,
Collection of organs, no? Right? Collection of organs. Right. Then look at part D. අපි last day එකේදී health paper එකක් discuss කරා නේද? Right. එතකොට ඒකෙදිත් මෙන්න මේ වගේ diagrams තිබුණානේ. මොකද මේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තියෙන systems ටික මේ subjects දෙකේම තියෙනවා. හරි. එතකොට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේ subjects දෙකටම මොකක් හරි system එකක් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ term test එකට mark කරන්න දෙනවා parts ටික. හරි. ඒකින්ද අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේ ටික පාඩම් කරගන්න. ඒ subjects දෙකටම ඒවට marks ගන්න නම් නේද? Right. Part 4, look at a diagram of digestive system is given below. Name the parts of PQRS. Right. What's the name of P? Do you remember?
liver,
Liver. Yes, liver. Then Q,
stomach,
stomach. Q means stomach. Right. This one liver. This one stomach. Then R, small intestine. Small intestine. And this one S, esophagus. Right, esophagus. Right. Part 5, name two systems in a plant. What are the two systems in a plant?
root system and
Yes, root system and shoot system. Root system and shoot system. Right, then we can go to the third question. Two diagrams of an activity of student have performed in the laboratory in given below. Can you see the difference between these two diagrams? What's the difference? The first diagram use only one hand lens. The second diagram use there are two hand lenses. Okay. Right. The first one, what is the lens used in simple microscope? අපි මේ hand lens වලට තව name එකක් කියනවා simple microscope කියලා. මතකයිනේ අපි lesson එකේදී discuss කරා නේද? Right. Which type of lenses used to simple microscope? Convex lenses. Yes, convex lenses. So the first one answer should be convex lenses. Second part, which instance increase the gap between the 2 points? Which instance? Using the one hand lens or using the two hand lens?
Using two-handed.
Using two hand lens. Right. Third one, which instance gives the maximum magnification? Using one hand lens or two hand lenses?
Two-hand lenses.
Two hand lenses, right? Same answer, no? Using two hand lenses. Okay. මේකම ආයිත් මෙතනටත් එනවා. Right, then next part, look at what is the maximum magnification of the compound light microscope. Do you remember?
Excuse me, sir. Can you answer for third one?
2000 times.
Sorry, tell me again.
Can you tell me the
Which one?
third one?
Third one answer using the two hand lenses.
second එකනේ.
Second, same answer using the two hand lenses. Right? Second and third, same answers. Can you tell me what is the maximum magnification of compound light microscope? Do you remember?
times
2 times?
2000 times.
Yes. 2000 times. It is the maximum magnification of a compound light microscope. Right. Then
That is
part
the-
5.
less when compound light for a long time.
What is the method used to store lenses when a compound light microscope is not used for a long time? Right. What is the method we can use? අපි කාලයක් මයික්‍රොස්කෝප් එක යූස් කරන්නේ නැත්නම් ඒකේ තියෙන lenses remove කරලා තියන්න ඕන. ඒ කොහෙද ඒව තියන්නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන්? කොහෙද තියන්නේ? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි ඒව තියන්නේ ඔය ඒක damage නොවන විදියට inside the desiccators. Okay, inside the desiccators. Desiccators mean ඔය silicon ඒ වගේ මොන හරි use කළා තමයි අපි මේවා තියන්න ඕන. හීරෙන්නේ නැති වෙන්න with the silica gel. You write down the answer like this. Inside a desiccator with silica gel. Inside the desiccator with silica gel.
So got first fifth one එකනේ answer එක.
Question number 5. Right, number 6, look at what microscope is used to describe in detail the inner structure of a cell. Which microscope we can use for this purpose? We can we use the hand lenses? Using the hand lenses, we can get the information about this one. Can't. Also, compound light microscope.
Electron microscope.
Electron.
Yes, electron microscope. හරි අර ගොඩක් පොඩි දේවල් බලන්න නම් අපිට use කරන්න වෙන්නේ electron microscope. So the sixth one answer, electron microscope.
So අපි second one එකටයි third one එකටයි answers කියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
Second one and third one answers using two hand lenses. Both answers using two hand lenses. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ අවස්ථාවේදී තමයි අපිට මේ දෙකටම බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right. Then number 7, look at how many times is greater. How many times is it larger the resolution power of the compound light microscope when compared the human naked eye. Right? දැන් අපි human naked eye එකත් එක්ක compare කරනකොට කොච්චර වාර ගාණක් විශාලව බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්ද compound light microscope එකෙන්? How many times? About 500 times. Right? About 500 times. Right, then next part given, you have write the differences between the compound light microscope and electron microscope. You can use the table to do it. You draw the two columns table. The first column write down compound light microscope.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So what? Sir, sixth question again. What microscope is used to describe the detail in a structure of cell? Sir, the electron microscope.
Electron microscope. Sixth part answer. Compound light microscope, and other side you write down electron microscope. Right. Normally we can write the magnification power and the resolution. Okay. ඒ points දෙකෙන් තමයි අපිට මේක discuss කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. First we can write the maximum resolution. Compound light microscope maximum resolution is about 2000 times.
The maximum කියද්දි m එක
Maximum. ඔගොල්ලෝ හරියට ලියනවා මෙතන. Shortly ලිව්වේ. Right, maximum resolution is 2000 times, but the electron microscope maximum resolution is 500,000 times. Right, it is the one difference between these two microscopes. Then another difference, write down sorry, this one not the resolution. Okay, make a resolution again, maximum magnification. It is not the resolution, magnification. Maximum magnification, and this one also the maximum magnification. right අර magnification කියන කී වාරයක් විශාල වෙනවද කියන එක නේද? ඒතර මේක සාමාන්‍යයෙන් 2000 times, but this one about 500,000 times. Right, then next point, write down maximum resolution. Maximum resolution is 0.2 millimeters, but the electron microscope maximum resolution is 0.0005 micrometer.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Compound light microscope එකේ දාද්දි sir micrometer නෙවෙයි දාන්නේ.
maximum magnification is 2000 times. Maximum resolution is 0.2 millimeters.
Micrometer එකේ
Huh?
UM කියලා නෙවෙයි දාන්නේ sir. Electron එකේ microscope
Millimeter, no? Zero. Sorry. This one should be micrometer. 0.2 micrometer. Naked I know 0.2 millimeters, no? Right.
සර් මෙහෙම ගන්න බැරිද කම්පවුන්ඩ් ලයිට් මයික්‍රොස්කෝප් එකේ වැඩ කරන සන්ලයිට් වලින් ඉලෙක්ට්‍රෝන මයික්‍රොස්කෝප් එකේ වැඩ කරන්නේ ඉලෙක්ට්‍රිකල් ලයිට් බීම්
ඔව් ඒකත් ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකත් ඩිෆරන්ස් එකක් විදියට ගන්න පුළුවන්. මෙයාගේ සන්ලයිට් වලින් නේද අපි ලයිට් එක ගන්න මෙයාගේ ඉලෙක්ට්‍රෝන්ස් ඉලෙක්ට්‍රිසිටිත් එක. Two differences you have to write, okay? දෙකක් තමයි ලියන්න තියෙන වෙනස්කම්. Then the last part, there are a lot of subparts given of this question. Write down the correct procedure to take the compound light microscope from one place to another. Right, අපි microscope එකක් එක තැනක ඉඳලා තව තැනකට ගෙනියනකොට කොහොමද මොන වගේ procedure එකක්ද අපි follow කරන්න ඕන? What is the procedure you have to follow? You have to get the compound light microscope to your hand, no? To which hand you have to get the microscope?
right
One hand. Which hand? Your familiar hand. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හුරු අතක් තියෙනවනේ. අන්නේ අතට තමයි ගන්න. සමහරට වමත හුරු වෙන්න පුළුවන්, සමහරට දකුණත හුරු වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේද? අර familiar hand එකට තමයි ගන්න ඕන. Right? Then also the other hand you have to keep below the base of the microscope. Right? Then you have to hold the microscope towards your body. Right? අපි microscope එක තමන්ගේ body එකට ලං කරලා තමයි අරගෙන යන්න ඕන. Right? They are the procedure. Right. ඒක පුළුවන් නේද? ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එකෙත් තිබුණා, නෝට් එකෙත් මම හිතන්නේ ලිව්වා. ඒක බලන්න. Right, then look at the next one about the atmosphere. Question number 4. The following figures shows the changing of temperature in which layers of the atmosphere. Right, there are 4 layers given here. The first part, which letter represents stratosphere? What is the stratosphere representing letter?
B.
B. Stratosphere means the second layer, no? So the representing layer is B. Troposphere.
D.
D.
A.
A. Right? Troposphere means the first layer, no? But after that, the first layer is troposphere. The next layer is stratosphere. Do you remember in order the 5 types of spheres in the atmosphere?
Yes.
කියන බලන්න මොනවද කියලා layers ටික. The first one,
Troposphere.
troposphere. Second one,
Stratosphere.
stratosphere. Third one,
Mesosphere.
mesosphere. Fourth one,
Thermosphere.
thermosphere. Fifth one,
Exosphere.
exosphere. Right. Now look at the second part. Name the sphere D. What is the D?
Thermosphere.
Thermosphere. Right, thermosphere. The third one, look at what you can say about the temperature of this sphere compared to others. Is it high or low?
High.
Yes, high. Right, it is high. Right, number 4. What is the coldest layer in the above layers? What is the coldest layer?
Mesosphere. Mesosphere.
Mesosphere. Right, then part number 5, look at there are gases, pollutants and particulate pollutants in the atmosphere. Name 2 gases, pollutants and 1 particulate pollutants. Right, what are the examples for the gases, pollutants?
Carbon dioxide.
Yes. Gases, pollutants, carbon dioxide,
Nitrogen.
other nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Right, then what are the particulate polluters?
Carbon particle.
Yes, carbon particles.
Lead particle.
Right. Sorry.
Particles.
Yes, dust particles. Then also you can write asbestos particles.
Lead particle.
Yes. Right. Suitable. One example you have right. Okay. Right, then last part, look at not last part, no, part number 6. Give 2 adverse effects of air pollution. Right, what are the adverse effects? Adverse කියන්නේ bad effects. Right, මොනවද අහිතකර බලපෑම් air pollution නිසා වෙන්න පුළුවන්.
Increase the temperature in the atmosphere.
Yes, increase the temperature in the atmosphere. It is one adverse effect.
Sir,
Yes.
Climate
ඒක
changes on the
Hmm?
sir atmosphere එක cool වෙනව නෙමෙයි.
Atmosphere එක cool වෙනවා.
ඔව් සර් මේ කලින් දවස්වල සර් කොළඹ පැත්තේම ඉන්න බැරින cool air pollution එක ඉන්න.
ඒ කියන්නේ air pollution වෙනකොට cool වෙනවද?
ඇයි සර් ඉන්දියාවේ කොහෙද ඇවිල්ලා මේ ලංකාව cool උනේ?
නෑ. සාමාන්‍යයෙන් air pollution වෙනකොට මොකද වෙන්නේ? දැන් air pollution වෙනකොට carbon dioxide වැඩි වෙනවා. හරිද? carbon dioxide වැඩි වෙනකොට මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? temperature එක increase වීමක්. හරිද? එතකොට එතනින් වෙන්න පුළුවන් බලපෑම් මොනවද? temperature එක increase වෙනකොට දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා මේ poles, northern pole and southern pole, right? There are glaciers contain of these two poles, no? මේ වගේ තියෙනවා glaciers, right? එතකොට මේ temperature එක increase වෙනකොට මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ? melting the glaciers, right? මේ glaciers ටික melt වෙනවා, දිය වෙනවා. Then increase the sea level, right? එතකොට glaciers දිය වෙනකොට sea level එකේ අර වතුර මට්ටම වැඩි වෙනවා, right? Then what happened? Like our countries covered with the water, no? අපේ වගේ රටවල් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මුහුදු ජලය වැඩි වෙනකොට ඒ ජලයෙන් යට වෙලා රට විනාශ වෙලා යන්න පුළුවන්කම තියෙනවා. Right? Okay, so one adverse effect you can write, increase the temperature of the atmosphere. Right? And another adverse effect, acid rains. Right? Acid rains. Okay, then the last part of this question, write one precaution that you can take to reduce air pollution as a grade 7 student. Right. මට කියන්න බලන්න ඕගොල්ලන්ට කරන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක් මේ air pollution ටික අඩු කරගන්න.
recycle the waste.
Recycle.
Waste.
Yes, recycle the waste. No? ඔය අපද්‍රව්‍ය ටික recycle කිරීම. Okay.
Growing trees.
Burn polythene.
Sorry.
Don't
Trees.
burn polythene.
Don't use polythene.
Don't burn.
Don't burn. Yes.
Growing trees.
Growing trees. Yes.
Protect the forest. Protect the forest.
Right. Okay. Suitable one precaution you can write. Okay. එක precaution එකක් තමයි ලියන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. Okay, they are the answers for the question number 4. The second part එකේන ඔයගොල්ලන්ට answers select කරගෙන කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ වුණාට ඔක්කොම lessons ටික cover කරලා තියාගන්න. හරි හොඳට පාඩම් කරලා තියාගන්න. Right. Quickly we can discuss the question number 5.
Excuse me, sir.
Sorry. Yes.
Fifth question එකට මේ අර particulate pollution මේ pollutant කියන්නද කියන්නකො සර් මට ලියා ගන්න බැරි වුණා ඒක.
Particulate pollutants. You can write the particulate pollution: carbon particles, cement particles. හරි නේද? Right. හරි. අපි ඉක්මනට මේ question එකත් බලමු. Question number 5 එක. You have to mark true false. The first one, non-flowering plants can be classified as monocot plants and dicot plants. Is it correct or incorrect?
Wrong.
Wrong. Non-flowering plants we can't classify like this, no? Right. Second part, vertebrates have a backbone. Is it correct?
correct
Yes.
Yes, correct. A dichotomous key is used to classify organisms. Is it correct or incorrect?
correct
Correct. If the magnification power of light microscope is 100 times, its resolution power is also 100 times. Is it correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Is incorrect. Right? මොකද මේ resolution power එකයි magnification එකයි දෙක සමාන වෙන්න අවශ්‍යතාවයක් නැහැ. එහෙම හැමතිස්සෙම එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Right? Next one, organs are collection of tissues. Is it correct?
correct
Correct. Number 6, dissolving ethanol in water shows the coolant property of water. Is it correct or incorrect?
Say what's the meaning of ethanol?
Ethanol mean the alcohol type. Dissolving ethanol in water, මේ වතුරේ ethanol දියවීම shows the coolant property of water. ඒක coolant property පෙන්වනවලු මෙහෙම දිය වෙනකොට. හරිද වැරදිද?
False.
False. දැන් දිය වෙනකොට මොකක්ද එතන තියෙන property එක? Solvent property, no? So this one is incorrect. Lime water and soap are bases. Is it correct or incorrect? Correct. Both are bases. Number 8, when a glass rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, the glass rod is charged as positive. Positive or negative? Huh? No, negative. So this one is incorrect. Number 9, a cell, battery and dynamo are sources of electricity. Correct or incorrect? It is correct. Right? Electricity ගන්න පුළුවන් දේවල් නෙමෙයිව නේද? නම් මේක හරි. The speed of transmission of sound in water is water and air same.
Incorrect.
Incorrect. Interchanging the left and right side of the image formed by a plane mirror is known as lateral inversion.
Correct.
It is correct. Okay, now I discussed the first 5 questions of this paper. Then also another 2 questions given of the paper. You write the answers for them, okay? As a homework. ඒ දෙකට answers ලියන්න. ඊළඟට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තව paper එකක් එවන්නම් next week discuss කරන්න. ඒකට answers ලියලා class එකට join වෙන්න. හරි? paper එක එවුවට පස්සේ පොඩි time එකක් අරගෙන paper එකට answers ලියන්න. Okay, next day we can continue the remaining part. මේවත් මතක් කරලා තියාගන්න. The parts of the dynamo. Okay, next day we can discuss the remaining part. Okay, right now I'm going to stop the class session today. Next day we can discuss the remaining questions and also another paper we can discuss. Right. Thank you for joining today. Goodbye and good night, all of you. See you next day.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.